Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to 365 WebX once again. So today it's a sad day, I would say. Why? Because Facebook has a problem. Now, if you're one of those who makes your money online by advertising, uh, you know, uh, for companies and helping companies out, and you have a client base and you wake up and you've you're seeing this, you will be disappointed, just the way I am. Now this is not just maybe a browser thing, because at times these browsers are funny. So this here is Chrome, and if I switch to another browser, you have the same message. Now, so it's not as if I'm making this up. Let me check this again. Okay, now it's open. Yes, so this is what you get. And now I have clients who are calling me and asking what is going on. Why is their ads not running? Why is the corrections not made? And I have to just keep begging them to be patient, because now I can't work. I can't do anything right here. I can't have access to Facebook so I can do what I needed to do. And now I don't know. I visited the mobile version and it actually uh, logged in, but I can't do most of the things I can do right here on my desktop or my laptop with the mobile phone. Yeah, there are a lot of features or a lot of things, especially for those of us who do digital marketing for companies. We cannot work. Now, this is just like Amazon. This is just like saying Amazon is shut down for maintenance. Well, whatever reason you call it, just like this Amazon. What do you think people would do? Number one, fear. Number two, I mean, Facebook is making billions of dollars per month. And so, why can't they, put up infrastructures to take care of this kind of thing? And now, this is not the first time this is happening. This is not just the first time this is happening. Okay, so let's see on Twitter if Facebook has said something why their services are not working. This is crazy. And in 2020, this shouldn't be happening, but as you can see, it's happening right here. Okay, I guess I need to log in. Let's see what Facebook is saying. they aren't saying anything. Nothing like that. Okay, let's try again for the benefit of the doubt. So you can see right here. Okay, so the same thing. So why would Facebook be shut down? They have the money. What would be the excuse? They have the money, they have the resources, like Facebook has it all. So why should Facebook? They have the personnel, they have the engineers and whatever they at their disposal. So why should this be happening? I don't know. Well, let's wait until 12. Maybe they would have sorted it out. And if they don't, I'll see, come on and give you uh, updates. And let's just hope for the best. I'm beginning to get, very, very worried about this. Because, imagine Facebook being shut down for whatever reason. What would have happened? I mean, what do I know? Keep you posted, guys. See you later.